Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about Zack Polanski, the Deputy Leader of the Green Party of England and Wales. He's a familiar face in UK politics, often making headlines for his activism, but one question that comes up a lot online is Zack Polanski gay? Let's break it all down. Zack Polanski is a British politician and activist, serving as Deputy Leader of the Green Party since 2021. He's also a London Assembly member, where he's worked on issues like climate action, housing, and social justice. Before politics, Polanski had a career as an actor and later moved into public speaking and campaigning. His rise in the Green Party has made him a well-known figure in progressive UK politics. Unlike many politicians who keep their private lives quiet, Zack Polanski has been open about his identity. He's spoken publicly about being part of the LGBTQ+ community, which has made some people curious about his personal story. In interviews, he's emphasized the importance of representation and visibility, especially in politics, where diversity is often lacking. Is Zack Polanski gay? Yes, Zack Polanski is openly gay. He has talked about his experiences as a gay man, and how that shapes his perspective on equality and social justice. His openness about his sexuality has made him an advocate for LGBTQ+ rights and visibility, both inside and outside of politics. Zack Polanski isn't just a politician, he's also an outspoken voice for climate justice, equality, and LGBTQ+ rights. And when it comes to the question of his sexuality, the answer is simple. Yes, Zack Polanski is gay, and he's proud to represent that community on the political stage.